What's up, online shoppers? If you have a tiny little patio or a deck or a balcony and you want the cutest little conversation piece to put there, help me put this one together and we'll see if it's going to work in a small space. But I tell you, I think this one has all the signs that it's going to be a win. Now this is the tool that they give you, but it is kind of awkward, and I do prefer using this little ratcheting screwdriver with the same kind of Allen key head at the top. At this point, it makes sense to flip the chair over so that you can do the rest of the bolts on the underside. Now the easiest one I find to start with is that one right there. Now I can stand it up and a patio seat in it. Looks pretty good to me. Okay, a little glass top. We install it just like that. Got our cute little glass table. So here you see we've got this little patio set all assembled. It is absolutely adorable. And like I said, this one here is really good for a small footprint because you can put it on a small little balcony and it's not going to take up a lot of space. The cushions themselves are removable so that you can take them off and store them somewhere. The chairs themselves are also even nice and comfy to sit in without a cushion. Very, very cute. Got a nice little tempered glass top here so you can put your drinks on it, and it is a really nice sturdy little table. It doesn't move around a lot at all. If you're looking for a beautiful little patio set with a small footprint, easy to put together, doesn't take up a lot of space, stacks really nice for storage also, this one here is absolutely adorable. It's comfortable, it's practical, it has a small footprint, easy to put together, and it's absolutely stylish. So this one here, definitely a family favorite at our house.